Writing test instructions. This writing test includes two separate tasks. You will have 27 minutes for Task 1 and 26 minutes for Task 2. Try to complete each task to the best of your ability within the time limits. This email effectively addresses the prompt, demonstrating a clear and concise response. You can pause the video to read the full answer. This email covers all three required points. It provides specific details about the issues, like mentioning the swing set has a broken chain. It also explains why these issues are important, emphasizing that it must be safe for children. Finally, it suggests practical ways to improve the area, such as to inspect all equipment and repair or replace broken parts. Notice the email's clear organization. It starts with a simple greeting and states its purpose directly. Each body paragraph focuses on one main idea, making the information easy to follow. The tone is polite and formal, which is appropriate for writing to a community center manager. The writer uses simple linking words like firstly, secondly, and because to connect ideas smoothly. This helps readers understand the flow. Two slightly higher level words are promptly and hazards. Promptly means quickly, and hazards refers to dangers. These words add precision without difficulty. For beginners, a useful tip is to start by outlining your ideas for each bullet point before you write. This ensures you cover all requirements and helps you structure your email logically. Remember to use simple, direct language. This explanation will show why the model answer for option A scores well. You can pause the video now to read the full answer. The response clearly states its choice for option A in the first sentence. It then provides two main reasons to support this. For example, it explains that having more buses will significantly reduce waiting times at bus stops. It also highlights that more frequent buses will make public transit much more reliable for everyone. This direct approach makes the answer very easy to understand. The email's organization is clear and logical. It begins with an introductory sentence that names the chosen option. The ideas are then developed in two separate body paragraphs, each presenting a distinct benefit. It finishes with a brief, clear conclusion that restates the main point. The tone is semi-formal and polite, which is appropriate for a survey response to city officials. The writer uses simple but effective linking words like firstly, secondly, and consequently. These words help to connect the ideas smoothly throughout the answer. Two useful vocabulary words are efficient and commuters. Efficient means doing something well without wasting time or resources. Commuters refers to people who travel regularly between home and work or school. For beginners, a good tip is to choose an option you can easily think of two strong reasons for. Then spend some time brainstorming specific examples or benefits for each reason. This preparation will help you write a more detailed and convincing response. This explanation will show why the model answer for option B scores well. You can pause the video now to read the full answer. The response clearly states its choice for option B right at the beginning. It then provides two main reasons to support this. For example, it highlights how covered bus stops offer essential shelter from the weather. It also explains that better lighting at bus stops will significantly improve safety, especially at night. The answer directly addresses the prompt's requirements with specific benefits. The email is well organized with a clear structure. It starts by introducing the chosen option. The supporting arguments are then presented in two separate paragraphs, each focusing on a different aspect of the improvement. A short concluding sentence summarizes the main idea. The tone is suitable for a formal survey response to city officials, being respectful and clear. The writer uses effective linking words such as firstly, secondly, and furthermore. These simple words help to connect ideas and ensure a smooth flow throughout the answer. Two useful vocabulary words are shelter and accessible. Shelter means protection from bad weather. Accessible means easy to reach or use for everyone, including people with special needs.